Okay, ji. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Saratif, and today we are coming to practice paper 2, progression test 2 for grade 6. So, as we have discussed in the classes as well, that in paper 2 you're supposed to use calculator. You can see right here the additional materials that are required that are allowed to use in this paper. Okay, the first question, it says that what is the value of 3 in this number? This is a number that is given in the question, and we have to find the value of 3. It's simple and easy. We will start counting. The value means the position regarding with respect to its place. So if we count from here, it is unit, then it comes 10, and then as we proceed, we get 100,000 and 10,000. So in simple, we can say that the position of or the value of 3 is 10th or 10th, and can be written as this as well. 0.3. Moving, look at the list of numbers. From the list, write down the numbers that are prime number. Simple and easy. Prime numbers are those numbers which are coming in the table of 2, in the table of 1. Prime numbers are numbers which are coming in table 1 and itself. Okay, so from that point of view, number 3 is a prime number. It has only two factors, it has only two multiples, and number 7 is a prime number. So we can write here that 3 comma 7 are prime number. Multiples of 4, those numbers which are divided by, or which can be obtained by multiplying any other number with 4. So multiple of 4 are, the first one is 4, second one is 54, and the third one is 400. These three numbers are divided by 4. These three numbers, the ones that I have circled, these three numbers can be obtained by multiplying any other number with 4. So we can write it here: 4, 54, and then we have, is 54 coming in the table of 4 or not? Let's check it. 4 times, it's the same thing. Just start reading the table of 4, and 4 times 10 is 40. Then 4 times 12 will be 48. Then 4 times 13 will be 52, and then 4 times 14 will be 56. So means that this 54 is not a prime number. It's not a multiple of 4. But 400 is a multiple of 4. So we can write it over here. Okay, then factors of 27. Factors of 27. So let's find out the factors of 27 as well. Write 27 here, and check whether it is coming in any other table, or whether is it the factor of any other number or not. So we have, yes, 9. That is 3 times 9 and then further we go with the 3. So the factors of 3 are of 27 are 3 and 9, this number, and again this number. Okay, moving to question number 3. In question number 3 they are saying that write a number in each box to make the statement true. I can assume any number of my choice for the value of x and for the value of y, but then I have to make sure that it should the value that I choose, it should be added with 4 to obtain the particular answer to make that statement equal, to make that statement true. Same goes for this 3y. Here for the 3y, that particular number needed to be multiplied. So let's think about any random number. So here I am choosing, let x be equal to 1. X is equals to 1. Here it will be x plus 4 plus 1 plus this 4, the one which is given. So it will be equal to 5. Same goes here. Let's suppose I am choosing y equals to 2. So here y, with the y 3 is multiplied, so obviously on the other side 3 will also be multiplied, I mean on the right side. So it will be 2 times 3, 6. Question number 4. A box can hold maximum of 35 apples. What is the smallest number of boxes you need to hold 255 apples? So for finding the number of boxes, number of box equals to 255 divided by 35. When we simplify it, we get on the table of 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 51 will be 255. So it will be 51 divided by 7. When we divide it here in the rough work, making the house 51 inside, 7 outside. So 7 times 7 is 49. We get 2 above 0.0. Then 7 times 2 is 14. Then further 4 and 0. 7 times 5 is 35, and then it will keep going. So from here we get 7.25. Means that we need to have 7 complete boxes and 1/4 box, 1/4 part of the box, but it is impossible to have the 4th part of the box. So in simple, when we round it, we can say that 7. Will this make a sense to have a 7 boxes? What about the leftover apples? Think about it. So it would be better, let's suppose if I take 7 boxes and in each box there are 15, there are 35 35 35 35 35 apples. When I add 35 35 35 35 35, and then with the 35 I get 245. But the total number of apples that are to be, you can say, packed, that are to be kept, are 255 minus 245. What about the leftover 10 apples? I cannot hold these 10 apples in hand. So obviously we need to have 8 box as well. And in the 8 box there will be only 10 apples, because these all apples are to be kept in the boxes. So here we will have 10 eighth box, and in the 8th box we will have only 10 apples. So the smallest number of boxes you need to hold 255 apples should be 8 8 boxes. Hope this logic makes this makes sense. Okay, now moving to question number 5. The diagram shows a pentagon. Okay, let's quickly revise pentagon. What is pentagon? A figure having more than 4 sides. Let's suppose we have studied about square, we have done the study of rectangle, and then we have done the study of triangle as well. In all these cases there were, like right here in the square there are 4 sides, same in the rectangle as well. In the triangle there were 3, but when we move more than 4 sides we get 5 or more than 5 sides. Shapes are known as pentagon, are known as polygon, and a figure having 5 sides known as pentagon. Penta for the 5. Right here we have a pentagon. A B C D E. There are 5 corners, 5 sides. That's why it is pentagon. Measure accurately the size of a reflex angle. We have to measure this angle A B C, the one which is shaded as well, this one, and measure accurately the length of the side of AE in the millimeters. Simple and easy. What you have to do, just take your protractor and measure this angle. You know how to do that. We have discussed this thoroughly in the classes, and I'm gonna give this question as assignment. You can say to solve. I'll be sharing this file, this paper file in the soft with you as well, and it's better to take out the print of it, and especially the print of this page number 3, and solve it on that, and then show it to me in the classes. And then after measuring this angle with the protractor, you have to measure with the scale. You have to measure the side AE. This is side AE. Measure it and then write your answer here. Okay, moving to question number 6. It says here are some scales showing the mass of 2 boxes. And before moving to the question, let me read this scale properly. If this is 7, this will be 7.24688. Yes, so here it is. You can say here it is 7, and here it is 7.6, means 7 kg and 600 gram. Okay, now let's read the question, what they are saying. What is the total mass of 2 boxes? Give your answer in kilogram. So it is 7.6 kilogram. Done. Kg. The mass of small boxes, 900 gram. What is the mass of the large box? Give you answer in the kilogram. And simple and easy. What you have to do? We will multiply 7.6 with 1000 in order to convert 7.6 kilogram to gram, because the small box has the weight which is 900 gram. So in order to compare that, we need to have the same units. So when I multiply 7.6 with the 1000, I will get 7,600. Now we have 7,600. The small box has a 900 gram weight. What is the mass of large? We have to find the large box. So I'll be subtracting the smaller from the total, which is 7,600 gram. I might get something 900, 608 something, 607 something. Let's do the rough work properly. Okay, I'll be using this space. So 7600. Now I have 0, 0 and 9. Subtract 0 from 0, we get nothing, means 0. This cannot be subtracted, so this one will be given carry to it. Now this is 6. So 16 and 9. Subtract 9 from 16, we get 7 and 6 as it is. So we will have 6,700 kg to gram divided again by 1000. It will be equal to 6.7 kg. Okay, moving to question number 7. I think this part is not included in your syllabus, but anyhow, as this fraction converting decimals and decimals to fractions and then percentage, that concept is in the syllabus. So let's solve this question. It's easy one. Work out 45% of $300. So it's simple and easy. Word off here, it means it shows that multiplication. There is something to multiply. So what do we need to multiply? Multiply this 45% with 300. So let's do it. 45% times 300. Convert this percentage sign to fraction or a decimal. So we have discussed before as well that percentage sign basically means 1 divided by 100. So it will be 45 divided by 100 times 300. These two zeros will get cancelled with these two zeros. 45 times 45 times 3. 45 times 3 will be, don't forget to do the rough work, but even this is a paper too, you can use a calculator. 15, and then 3 times 4 is to 135. 135. 45% of 300 will be $135. Let me erase this extra stuff to give it a clean look. Okay, now moving to question. Next page says question number 8, and this topic is not included. Let's give it a read. The largest number of a people, 5 buses can carry 265. All buses carry the same number of amount. Work out the largest number of people. Okay, HCF and LCM, this is that concept. We'll do it. The largest number of people 5 buses can carry is 265. There are 5 buses, and these 5 buses can carry these 5 buses can carry 265. All buses carry the same number. Work out the largest number of people 3 buses can carry. So in simple and easy, we'll be dividing 265 by 5. Again the table of 5 ends at 5, so means this number is divisible by 5. So let's do the house. 265 outside is 5. 5 times 5 is 25. This one will come down, and then we will have 2 times 3 is 15. So this is 53. So each bus, one bus can carry 53 people. 3 buses can carry how much? How many people? So 3 multiply by, so 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 5 is 15, so 159. 3 buses will carry 159 people. So 159 is the answer. Moving to question number 9, and that is yes frequency table that is not included in the first term syllabus. Moving to next page, question number 10. Here is the diagram circle ratio. Ratio is not included. So moving to question 11, find the lowest common multiple of 12 and 15. We will be finding, we'll write them in the line pattern that we have done. So 12 and 15 are coming in the same table, that is the table of 3. We'll start with the 3. 3 times 4 is 12, and 3 times 5 is 15. So the only number that is common in between is 3, but as it is LCM, least common multiple, we multiply common with the uncommon. So this 3 is common, and the remaining this 4 and this 5 is uncommon. So we multiply common with the uncommons. So 3 times 4 will be 12, and 12 times 5 will be 60. So the least common multiple between 12 and 15 is 60. Okay, so the least common multiple is 60. Moving to next page, and it says again frequency and median mode, it is not included. This one haven't done in this first term syllabus. Moving to question number 13. Yes, the diagram shows 4 sets of parallel lines and 4 transversals. One of the diagram has an angle labeled incorrectly. So put steric sign, or I think it's cross sign something, in the box of the diagram with the incorrect angle. So this angle is correct. If you remember, we have done this concept in the class as well. So it starts with the corresponding angle. Corresponding angles are the one that are coming, let's suppose this angle is corresponding angle to this, and then we have done the alternative angles, alternative interior and alternative exterior. Now this angle is, you can say, equal to this angle. This is exterior angle. This angle is equals to this one, the ones that make the Z shape. right? Then moving to question number 13 again, as this is correct, it shows, it confirms the corresponding, I'm talking about this one, and this is correct as well, as this shows alternative concept. Same goes for this, but this is not correct. This doesn't show any of the concept that we have studied. So we'll put a sign here as it is incorrect. Moving to question 14. Here is a shape made by joining two rectangles. Yes, we can see that here are two rectangles. What we have to do, find the parameter of the shape. Parameter is to add up all the sides, add up all the boundaries. So right here, this is given, this is given, we have this and we have this side. We need to find this side and then this side. So for that, use the given sides measurement to write down these sides. If I look here, its total complete is 14. 4 is already given here. I have to add something with this 4 to make it 14 as well. So 4 plus 10. So this is 10 centimeter. Then this remaining portion, this remaining portion, this should be found by subtracting 6 from 11. So we get 5. So this is 5. Simple and easy. And now add up all the sides. It says 6 plus 14 plus 11 plus 4 plus 5 plus 10. As it's paper 2, calculator is allowed, so you can add them and write your answer directly. Okay, now moving to part B of it. It says find the area of the shape. You have to solve this, add this answer and then tell me in the class. Okay, so it's again a kind of assignment for you, that I will be asking this answer from each one of you. Okay, and let's see who has the correct answer. Find the area of the shape. Area is to multiply length with the base or with the width. So we write B, or sometime you write L times W. So right here, as we have two shapes, I can divide these two shapes here and we'll try to draw them separately. This, and the second one is this. Yes, we have to find, if I take this and draw them separately, it says 6 centimeter, this is 10, this is 11 centimeter and this is 4 centimeter. Simple and easy. We have two objects. I can easily now write and find the area of it. The first one, it says 6 times 10, which is 60. The second one is 11 times 4, which is 44. As I have to find them combinedly, it is like this. Let me try it again to combine them once again. It's something like this. So combine means add the answers that we got. So 60 plus 44 will be 104. So 104 centimeter square will be the area of the shape. Moving to question number 15. Paul and Stephen both plays in the tennis tournament. Paul wins 12 out of 16 matches. Work out the percentage of the matches that Paul wins. Simple and easy. Total obtained divided by total, the formula we practiced in the class as well. Obtained divided by total multiply with the 100. So the obtained is 12, total matches are 16 multiplied with the 100. We get 12 divided by 16 will be 3 by 4 times 100. Further it will be 4 times 1 is 4, and 4 times 25 is 100, means 3 times 25 will be 75. Let's do it again. 3 times 2 are 6, and then 1 7, so it is 75. So the percentage is 75%. Okay, Stephen wins 14 out of 20 matches. Does Stephen win a higher percentage of his matches than Paul? Let's find it again. That explanation will come here. 14 divided by 20 times 100, and this will simplify to 14 divided by 2 times 10, and again it will be 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 times 7 is 14, so 7 times 10 give us 70. So the Stephen percentage is 70, which is less than 75. So does Stephen win a higher percentage of his matches than the Paul? No. So the answer is no. Moving to next, and we haven't done the cuboid and the 3D shapes yet. Moving to question number 17, and again probability is not included. This is the probability topic. It is not included in your syllabus. Okay, write 3 by 8 as decimal. Simple, easy. Do the house. Square root 3 inside, out 8 outside. Put a 0 and a point above 3 with 0 with this. So 8 times 3 will be 24. Then again we'll have a 6, and simple and easy. We'll continue, but keep one thing in mind, as it is a paper 2, you have calculator, so do the calculation on the calculator. You might get something 0. It will be something 0.5. It will be 0.7 something. So 0.37 something like that. Now further do the calculation on, use calculator for that as well. Decide if these statements are true or false. First one has been done for you. 3 by 8 is bigger than 2 by 5. 2 by 5 means 2 by 5 means that 0.20. Let's do it. And 3 by 8, we got the answer of 3 by 8, that is 0.3. Let's confirm this. 2 inside, 5 outside, point above, 0 here, 5 times 4, 20. Yes, it's 0.4. So 3 by 8, which is 0.3, is bigger than 2 by 5, which is 0.4. No, 0.4 is bigger. So this is false. Now Right here we have 5 by 8. 5 by 8 will be 5 inside, 8 outside, put a point and a 0. 0 with this as well. 8 times 8 times 7. Now 8 times 6 will be 48. 48 and then 2 down. In simple 0.6. 0.6 will be this 5 by 8 and 13 by 20. 13 inside, 20 outside, put a point and a 0 with this as well. Now 20 times 6 is 120. We need to solve it further. We will have 110, 0 and it will be 20 times 5, 100. So 13 divided by 20 is 0.65 and 5 divided by 8, let's complete this, put a 0 here and it will be 8 times 2 is 16, means 0.62 and 0.65. 0.65 is bigger. So this statement is wrong. It is here 5 by 8 is bigger than 13 by 20. But the fact is that 13 by 20 is bigger. So the given statement is false. So these questions, question number 20, 21, 19, these are not included. We haven't done these topics in your first term syllabus, but we may cover them, and we might I think we will have these topics for the final termers. So it's still question number 18, but I'll share this file with you in WhatsApp groups. You all should practice and then we'll ask questions related to it in the class. Best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.